Hi YouTube, here's an air conditioner here, heat pump. I assume that this means it's the heat pump, I think. I don't know what brand is it, but I just look, it's very short, well, I think old one. It doesn't have a name, which I can't tell the name, but this is what it looks like. But unlike this has, I think it has a scroll compressor. Compressor scroll. Get careful on this, so this thing's so small now. A lot of these ones are smaller, but I don't know if it's a heat pressure, but I would have to know. So I think it's a heat pump because of that. So let's see. So it's made in 2000. It's new. I don't know what brand it, but see, it does have a Chinese motors, like the Good Man. Not like a Good Man if my carrier dies. So it's running. I don't know what brand. Can't idea what brand was the heat pump. Please say no, because there's no brand. This is kind of pointless. There's no brand, so I'm assuming it's a brand or carrier. I don't know. Maybe either one of those, but it's no name for, so it's pointless. So pointless that there's no name in here on here. So pointless that there's. So there's no name, this new air conditioner. So anyways, that's it. And I don't know how many Blitz has. Maybe 2 or 3, but that's it for the air video. Goodbye.